Today we'll start a new chapter, that is Lines and Angles, chapter number 6. Lines and angles, you are very familiar with that, because from class 3, class 2, class 3, class 4, from that time onward, you are getting lines, you are getting angles, okay? But slowly when you are in class 5, 6, 7, then you got the different measurement of angles as well. Now, today we are going to start the same chapter, that one what you got for last so many years. Now, lines and angles, what is the application? Why you have to study? Whether there is any application in our day-to-day life? Yes, my dear student. Lines and angles is very, very important in our day-to-day life. When we take a scale, a scale is not straight. Whether your margin will be straight, if the scale is this way, your margin will be also this way. Will it be looking nice? No. When we are making a box, cuboid, three-dimensional box, then you see, if you see this, each and every angle is a right angle. Each and every angle. Then how this angle form? See, each angle is formed by side. This side form an angle. This side form an angle. Okay? Now, again, you see this protector. Protector, for what purpose we use? We use to measure the angle. We use to measure the angle. Also, we use this one to draw an angle of the required measurement. But this one also, you see, this is a line. This is a straight line. This is a straight line. And measurement of a straight line, this is a line, when this is a straight line, measurement of a straight line is 180 degrees. Okay? Then you see, so I only told that scale or a cuboid box or this one. See, this one also angle. This is angle, this is angle, this is angle. If this angle will not be measured properly, will it be looking like a right angle? Triangle? So each and every angle should be measured properly. Or you see, suppose this is an equilateral triangle. You know that chess. In the chess box, each box is 5. So each angle should be 90 degrees. Okay? So these are the application in our day-to-day life. And also, whenever we draw something, we construct something, we draw an angle, we draw a house, everywhere angle will be needed. Without angle, it is not possible. Okay? And every time. Suppose I am showing this hand. If I show this hand this way, then whether there is any angle formed? Yes, this is the angle formed. By this hand itself, you can show all the different measurement of angle. See, if I make it straight, what is the measurement? If this is the straight, then this is the angle, so this is a straight angle. If I put down this one, then this is what angle? Right angle. Yes or not? If I put this way, then this is what angle? Acute angle. But if I put this way, and this is the another one, then what is this angle? This is obtuse angle. Now, how these angles form? These angles form by the rotation or movement of the rays. Rotation or movement of the rays. See, my dear student, see this one. See, here suppose there are two rays. Here are two rays. This is one ray, this is another ray. When this one, then whether there is any angle formed? Any angle formed? Because they are one over the other. So there is no deflection. The moment I'll rotate this one, either clockwise or anti-clockwise, see, now there is a deflection. This is one ray, this is another ray. See, this is one ray, this is one ray, this is another ray. And these two rays make an angle. These two rays make an angle. This is what type of angle? You know, already you got. This is acute angle. If I rotate further, measurement will increase. If we further, again, if we this much it will come, then what is the measurement? If you see this one, see, this is a right angle. This is the right angle. So that means, my dear students, if I put, this is one ray, this is another ray, if I rotate, then angle will form. If I rotate, then angle will form. Clear? So rotation of the two rays. First of all, angle. And then rotation of the two rays. Suppose this is the two finger of your hand. See, this finger also form an angle. This finger also form an angle. This finger also form an angle. Clear? So angle and side are part and parcel. If you give up side, angle will not be there. If you give up angle, lines will be there, but there will be only one. That means the relation of the two lines, two or more lines will not be there. There will be many lines, but there will be no relation. But whenever there will be relation, remember that there should be an angle. If angle is formed, then there will be relation. Okay? So my dear students, so I have explained you how the angle formed. So now the definition. What is that definition? If two rays meet at a point, if two rays meet at a point, rays, remember my dear student, I have explained, this is one ray, this is another ray. If two rays meet at a point, this is the point, meeting point. If two rays meet at a point, then they are said to form an angle. If two rays meet at a point, then they are said to form an angle. If two rays meet at a point, then they are said to form an angle. They are said to form an angle. Clear? This is the angle. Now, give an example of that. You draw an angle. After writing the definition, you have to draw an angle. This is O, this is A, this is B. This is the angle. Now how to represent angle? Angle is represented by this. This is the symbol of angle. This is the symbol of angle. So inside this symbol, when we write A, O, B, that means angle AOB. Now what is the position of A, O and B? A and B. A is the initial point, B is the terminal point, and O is the point of intersection of the two rays. Once again, A is the initial point, B is the terminal point, and O is the point of intersection. And the middle letter will represent that where the angle actually formed. Angle is not formed at A or not formed at B. If I write P, Q, R, here P is not the angle, R is not the angle, Q is the angle. Middle one is the angle. Okay? This is the symbol of angle. And also sometimes you can write M angle. M angle means what? measurement of angle AOB. M, angle PQR, measurement of angle PQR. Okay? Now, let's see types of angle. Now, before that, I explained already what is the definition of angle. Now, do you remember the definition of a ray? What is the definition of a ray? Which can be extended set of points, which has a starting point, has one starting point but no ending point, and which can be extended only in one side. That is known as a ray. If it can be extended on either side, set of points which can be extended on either side, that will represent a line. So here, actually, though it is given lines and angles, actually this is also a lines because, but there is a difference between line and ray. Line is this one. When you say line is this one. When you say ray is only one side. And when you will say, actually, generally speaking, here, when we are saying, telling about the line, that is a line segment. This is a line segment. Part of a line. Part of a line is known as line segment, which has two endpoints. Ray has one starting point but no ending point. And line can be extended on either side. Can be extended on either side. Okay? Now, my dear student, next is that the different measurement of angle. Different measurement. See, when I put these two rays together, what is the measurement? Can you measure any angle exactly here by the protector? It is not possible. Because there is no movement. There is no movement of the two rays. Until unless there is no movement, no deflection. Movement means no deflection. The angle will not fall. Then, the two rays according to the definition, there should be an angle. Yes, this is angle. What is the measurement? 0 degree. As deflection is not there, so definitely it will be 0 degree. You are giving a start of a vehicle. You have given the start, but you did not put your foot on the accelerator or a clutch. Why the car will start moving? Either you have to slowly release the clutch and you have to press on the accelerator, car will move. Otherwise, if it is on the brake, hand brake, there will be no deflection, no movement. So distance will be 0. Car you have started, but there is no distance. Same thing, two rays are there, but there is no deflection. Until unless there is no deflection, there will be no angle. But what is the measurement? There will be, because two rays are there, there is 0 degree angle. Now next you see. So first, what you got? 0 degree. 0 degree. Remember, 0 degree. 0 degree is, that means no deflection. Now next, let's see. If this much movement, then it is an equiangle. So 0 degree, then the greater than 0 degree, suppose if I give greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. If this is the measurement, then this is known as equiangle. What is the measurement of the equiangle? Angle lies between 0 to 90 degree. That is known as equiangle. This is the first one. If exactly 90 degree, equal to 90 degree, or you write angle A then here also you give angle A equal to 90 degree. Then what is that? That is a right angle. That is a right angle. Number 2. Number 3. See, this is right angle. Right angle means this one. See, if this way, if both these two rays are mutually perpendicular, then that angle is known as right angle. If two rays are mutually perpendicular, then they are said to form a right angle. The next is this one. See, if I draw this one, then it is greater than 90 degree, but less than 180 degree. Less than 180 degree. Then what will be that? See this one. This one. Then what will be that? Obtuse angle. So what is the measurement of an obtuse angle? 90 degree. Angle A. So if an angle lies between 90 degree and 180 degree, then that angle is known as obtuse angle. If the measurement of an angle lies between greater than 90 degree, that means even 91 degree also, or 90.5 degree also, then that angle is known as obtuse angle. So what are the angles we got? First we got acute angle, then we got right angle. First acute angle or 0 degree? 0 degree, so 0 degree also falls under acute angle only. So acute angle, then right angle, then obtuse angle. Then let's see next, what is that? Next, just like 90 degree, if angle A equal to 180 degree, then what is the measurement of that? What is the measurement of that? The measurement of that is straight angle. If two lines, see, suppose this is O, this is A, this is B. That means, see this one. This is the angle. Suppose this is the point of intersection of the two rays, and these are the two rays. Okay? Then it is a straight angle. It is a straight angle. So, number 4. Then fifth, what is that? See, this one and this one. Then which is the angle? Angle obviously, because it is coming that side. Then it will be reflex angle. Greater than 180 degree, but less than 360 degree. Greater than 180 degree, but less than 360 degree. That is known as reflex angle. Reflex angle. Now, what is the meaning of reflex angle? Suppose A, O, B. If you come along the clockwise direction, then what is the measurement of these? What type of angle? This is the obtuse angle. This is obtuse angle. And when you are going anti-clockwise direction, what is the measurement? It is more than 180 degree. So see, my dear student, sum of this angle and this angle is equal to 360 degree. So if an angle is given, then you can take out this reflex angle. How? Subtract the given angle from 360 degree, because sum of these two angles should be 360 degree. Sum of these two angles should be 360 degree. So if the measurement of an angle is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, then that angle is known as reflex angle. Clear? So if you So how to write reflex angle? See, angle AOB, this one is obtuse angle, and this one reflex angle AOB. If it is less than 180 degree, reflex will not come. But if it is more than 180 degree, then reflex has to come. So, what is the measurement of reflex angle? 180 degree. Angle A less than 360 degree. Less than 360 degree. So, first we got angle lies between 0 and 90, acute angle, equal to 90, right angle, greater to 90, less than 180, it is obtuse angle, equal to 180 degree, it is straight angle, then lies between 180 and 360 degree, it will be reflex angle. And last is a complete angle. How complete angle? Suppose if I draw a small figure, suppose this is another one. So the ray, suppose this is A, this is O, and this is B. So we started rotating in a anti-clockwise direction, and then it meets the line or coincide the line OA. Then it is a complete angle. So what is the measurement of a complete angle? 360 degree. Circle. Measurement of a circle. What is the measurement of a circle? Measurement of circle is 360 degree. So, how many angle? Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, then reflex angle, then complete angle. That is the sixth one. So 6. That is the sixth different angle in measurement, according to the measurement. Remember one thing, there are different types of angles are there. Whatever I have written here, all these by virtue of the measurement, different degree measurement. Different degree measurement, these are the angles. Okay, clear? Then we'll see that what is the application of these. What is the application of this? When I take this triangle, see this one, this is a 90 degree, this is acute angle, this is acute angle, sum of this triangle is 180 degree. When I take, suppose this one is a rectangle, this is a rectangle, see each angle is 90 degree. So this, whatever angle is there is the application in that triangle. Suppose if I ask you obtuse angle triangle, how to draw an obtuse angle triangle? See, this is the obtuse angle triangle. If you draw this one, then this is a right angle. See, A, O, B, C. AOB is a right angle. AOB is a right angle triangle, whereas AOC is an obtuse angle triangle. So by the virtue of the measurement of the angle, there will be different angles also there. So this angle measurement is very, very important. Very, very important. Okay? In context of the circle also you will get this measurement. If quadrilateral you will get, triangle you will get. So many uses are there. So my dear student, please remember this angle. And all this angle, you can show by your hand as well. How to show? See, first I told you that suppose this is the measurement. This is the measurement. For this one, then it will be 0 degree, no deflection, 0 degree. This is acute angle. This is acute angle. This is also acute angle. Now this one is a straight angle or right angle. This is right angle. right angle. If I put this way, then it is obtuse angle. If I put this way, then it is straight angle. It is straight angle. If I put down this one, then you see this one and then this measurement. Then this is obtuse angle. And if I rotate this one and if I join these, then this will be complete angle. Got it? Even by one hand also you can show. How? See. Suppose this is the two rays. That whatever example I took and this one also I took. See, these are the two rays. This is acute angle. This is acute angle. This is right angle. This is right angle. Yes or not? This is obtuse angle. This is straight angle. This is, that hand will not bend like that way. So suppose if it will bend, then it will be obtuse angle and then other. So by hand movement, one hand movement, how many angles you can show? Acute angle, right angle and obtuse. And also straight. Clear? So these are the different measurement of the angles. So my dear student, please write down in your copy that what is angle, the definition of the angle, then ray, line segment, then how to or what is the application of the angle in our day-to-day life. Those examples also you write it down. Then also you write it down that angles with different measurement and with all the diagram and also this one. And also write down the definition already I told. Okay? So with that, I'll wind up from today's class. Thank you. Hope to see you in my next.